probably work. I don't even know.
BMW is what we know. So, alright guys, so a while back you saw our video of the E90 getting the weather strip replaced on the windshield, and now here we are with Marshall's E92. We're going to show you guys how to replace the weather stripping on this one. It is a slight difference. It goes, what, not all the way around.
It does 3 sides instead of just the top. It does the top and down both sides. So, should be interesting.
Yeah, it'll be a good time. I don't think it'll be too hard, except we don't have the tools we need. We're unprepared, as always. So, follow along.
Yeah, hopefully we figure that out. Alright guys, we're going to take it out of the bag here and make sure we got the right thing. Looks like your side's probably open.
We should probably find something.
Yeah, make sure that we got it. Alright, it looks like it's going to work. We're going to find some tools. Maybe. Okay guys, I'm going to try and peel that corner up right there. I have a brass scraper with some tape on the end of it. This like vinyl laying tool and a couple of cards to try and pry it out without breaking the glass. So let's see how that goes. Okay, I got it to come loose, and it seems if I pull it out, it's coming out pretty good, except for where it's glued on the side. I'm going to have to go back over that spot. Top seems to be coming out even better. Oh, I didn't say that, and then I'm gonna go to the shit. Oh, dude, this monster bug got splattered right here.
There it is.
There it is, one out.
Not much left of that. Well, I mean, there is. It's just over here.
She was done. It'll probably work. Okay guys, Matt's pouring us a beer over there. Lost in the Sauce version 4. We got the old one out and we got it all cleaned up, and we're going to get ready to put the new one in. So it's got this red tape on it, and that is covering up an adhesive. And it's got a little yellow tab on it, so we'll put it in there and then pull the adhesive out. And you can see on this side there's a channel, and that part goes around the window, and this part goes on the painted part of the car. We're going to start in one corner, do the top, and then we're going to try and do the sides.
So you gotta peel that thing off first.
No, you leave it in.
So you had to peel just a little bit of it first.
I think it's got this tab on it, so it should.
Had this siding for a second. It popped up apparently.
Yeah, each time you can get around like the bonnet if it could open. Yeah, I think so. This. Open this first.
Oh, that I think we'll just have to press down with that because that's not. This ain't gonna do anything like that. No, once we take the adhesive off, we'll have to just pinch her in there a little better.
It does seem, before it seemed like way past it. That's just.
I'll do the top one first.
Okay, guys, we got it all fitted in there. Now we're just gonna pull the adhesive out. Maybe. And that's it, guys. Quick and easy peasy window. What is it?
Your weather stripping, windshield weather stripping.
Windshield weather stripping. Yep. Done. What? 2 hours, and we kind of took our time.
I don't know.
1
It
hour.
was even 2 hours. Maybe.
Yeah.
Maybe a little over an hour, but no, it doesn't. It's not hard. You just gotta have patience, and it'll come out pretty well. It's not too hard. How much was this?
I don't know. It's between 40 and $100. It wasn't 100.
Okay.
I don't remember how much it was exactly.
But you guys can think that, you know.
Yeah. For
roughly.
under $100, you can change your weather strip by yourself.
And let's show them. Where's a chunk of like how bad it was?
Right there is the worst thing.
Like. Just gotta come to pieces.
Yeah, it was just falling apart to pieces.
Yeah, no good.
No.
So make sure you guys
Like, comment, subscribe. Thanks for watching.
peace out.
Peace out.